na ukoshe na uhu ni asanteman epeja Ghana na the pomp and the pageantry President Kobe, ex-president Nazia AKWESIDAE Kobe, all the people who matter in Ghana, one Kobe and now you don't matter, telling you you don't matter, you're nobody. Kobe. His Excellency John Mahama Okobi no we no my speech which they say Otumfuor ti kokos nana untimi enyi mfi amamu ni I say de bia me wo ahoyehia mu me ba wo na ase nana na me ba nso a wo ye mame.
Your Royal Majesty, as we have inherited a difficult economic situation, I'll be calling on you again from time to time, and I know that when I call on you, you will not hesitate, so that we can work together to put our nation Ghana back on its feet.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama kwa baba Xposed GH watch FM Bruce. One subscribe mama litumpa na wonsa akabi. Ote kokoso. Wonse na mebodi no, Mahama so. Otumfuor. Osei to the second. Odi AKWESIDAE na obeka kwa se AKWESIDAE ne ye den eye asantefo afahye se se na ye akrapefo ye wo odwira ene ohum ni other people no almost some de ne AKWESIDAE na ukohwe na uhu se ne asanteman epeja Ghana na the pomp and the pageantry President Kobe, ex-president Nazia AKWESIDAE Kobe, all the people who matter in Ghana, one Kobe and now you don't matter, telling you you don't matter, you're nobody. Kobe, yang kwa hemra.
To His Majesty.
Where omo matter ye kasa matter obi asem wo bobra o mo bra ntimi nko AKWESIDAE say na nkotia anything who despite no hu John Mahama no hu Otumfuor no hu Bawomia. These are people who have made much in society. What have you been able to do? Nothing. So stop talking. I make me obi na kasa onu ni amne kasa. But you see, the beauty of Ghana lies with the Ashanti culture. I'm not an Ashanti, but the beauty of Ghana's culture lies with what? The Ashantis. Last year, AKWESIDAE your friend said UK London. I'm telling UK down, upside down. Omo ma abrofo no kura hu say Ghana ye wo azaoye. We need to promote our own. Says no make up say December is Ghana and Ghana is what? December. Yet we are promoting. We need to encourage people. Now no me dem hu esikafo na kura say yes, Ghana we need more of these people and they need to be billionaires in Jesus name. Because only be amanya ye what titru for home na ye account ye bi. Na amanya obi e ni ye account one ye account no. And owie His Excellency John Mahama Okobi no we normal speech which they say Otumfuor ti kokoso na untimi enyini mfi amamu woni o say de bia me wo ahoyehia mu me ba wo na ase na me ba nso a wo ye mame minim say we so obeye enkotie ne mra.
Your Royal Majesty, our nation Ghana is facing a dire economic crisis. While this is not the first time that we have been in such a crisis, this particular crisis characterized by a high rate of inflation, macroeconomic instability, a depreciating currency, and above all, a debt default which has shut us out of the international credit market, is a more daunting challenge than we have ever experienced in our history. Your Royal Majesty, as President between 2013 and 2017, we faced macroeconomic instability. And I remember that at the time, some of the times we had obstacles in our way of bringing stability to our economy and restoring economic growth. I had the privilege of calling on you to use your influence and diplomacy to smoothen the path so that it could open up the path towards prosperity and progress. And at the time, anytime I called on you, you did not hesitate. And I wish to thank you for the cooperation that I enjoyed with you at that time, and to publicly acclaim and acknowledge that some of the economic progress that we achieved in that period was due to the work that you did. Your Royal Majesty, as we have inherited a difficult economic situation, I'll be calling on you again from time to time. And I know that when I call on you, you will not hesitate so that we can work together to put our nation Ghana back on its feet.
You need the mania or set no fata. Yeba John Mahama wa acknowledge say even in a time past no time bia Ghana ye wo ahohiahia no ofre Otumfuor ose nana hwe ba bia Ghana gina nyo Otumfuor said don't worry e dey na wo hia wase me pese IMF obama me 10 billion wase wo ni problem na Otumfuor fra IMF no mama iska no enya to na medi Kufuor ba ye no time okwakopa hefe no so no fa mayen Kufuor fa phone call no friend ose nana me pato me ba isika bi enyim futo no madi sese so Ghana si ekwa anim ose mehu ti e den na apose me pese omode ye ka chai e ho no fa fo no friend IMF e ho no de ye ka chai udim netia the framers of the constitution obuka say chief shouldn't be what politician. Yes, Otumfuor ye nipa baako a se NDC bo mekon ho MPP bo mekon ho CPP bo mekon. You know why? Because we're picture ahinia beyond or above what partisan politics. Ya ye fufuo ni bro e kwasi asamuti no bo mo ye politics kwasi asam obi anim so wo hini wo NDC ni wo MPP ni. Stupid way of thinking. Otumfuor say you can be what Obi asabe in times of crisis ye pobia ye de beba amman we wo Otumfuor fi ho no we chief mama fi ho na ba aka ba ko ene mini wo mutu we wo do mu fi ho no ma amman na bo be ka kire wo asamo bed na ne pe kwofo aka e Otumfuor any chief imam and why do people go to them? Because they know say they are fair and just. Otumfuor ko obeka no kure na kire wo o say Akufo ba me ka kire say amamu no bunanyo wantie me John Mahama say don't fail us this time. O say you have unique opportunity. Owie no sane no kof kokoro no ka kire say John one first one na omobo ogu ye no Once I waba obey kwase do mesa bo wagu. Ye hia mpanifo say, enti wo a wonim se Otumfuor nyo hene no, na Otumfuor e de. Ahenkwa. Oyo hene. Enti na sabe, yesi ohene e na sabe mpanifo ko nanim. Enti Otumfuor acha so oyo hene. I expose JFM members. O subscribe. Etumpa na nsa ka bi manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.